How to change current lock screen passcode in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then here you can see the option Face ID and passcode. If you can't find this option here, then simply click on screen time and then scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions, and then scroll down in last and in allow changes to section you can see the option passcode and Face ID. Now click on it. If you select don't allow, then select allow. After selecting allow, you can see the option on your settings. Now click on Face ID and passcode. Enter your current passcode. Now scroll down and here you can see the option change passcode. Now click on change passcode. Now enter your current passcode and here you can change your passcode. Now here you can see passcode option. Here you can change your passcode 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code or custom alphanumeric code. You select any option and then enter your passcode. So this is the way to change current lock screen passcode in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.